Welcome viewers. Welcome to Chemistry Museum. I hope all viewers well and nice and excellent in the period of COVID-19. The period of COVID-19, we actually you are staying at your home, so I give some tips at this time how to today's class. My class is how to do better in chemistry. In chemistry, how to do better in chemistry? Actually, the topic is in front me. How to do better in chemistry? At first, we want to know some rules. If you want to do better, so follow my instruction, and then it will be help to you. Then you will be better in chemistry. At first to know some rules. Number one, question: symbol properly. Symbol properly, like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, sodium, potassium, magnesium. This like etc. Like, then formula. Formula is another important part of chemistry. If you know properly write any formula, then it will be help to you know about any component, any to know any reaction, and the product, which product will be produced when any reaction will be occurs. Then formula is also formula properly, like water H2O, sodium chloride H2SO4, sulfuric acid, sodium carbonate HNO3, nitric acid. This formula: sodium carbonate, nitric acid, sodium chloride, water, sulfuric acid, potassium hydroxide. This formula is very essential. If you know properly write any formula, then it will be also help to you to know chemistry, and then you will do better in chemistry. So it's the very essential part of a student to know properly for right formula, and then it will also be support him or his her, then she or he will be do better in chemistry. Then formula. The third step, number three, valency. Valency is the another important part of chemistry. Then the valency of copper 1 2, valency of nitrogen 3 5, valency of sulfur 2 4 6, valency of oxygen 2, valency of carbon 2 4, valency of phosphorus 3 5, valency of sodium 1, valency of potassium 1, valency of chlorine, bromine, iodine 1. This valency is important to write any formula. Suppose you want to know write any formula like pani H2O. Oxygen valency 2 is come to hydrogen. Then hydrogen valency 1, not to write H2O. So then another formula H2 SO4, valency of sulfate radical 2, then hydrogen valency 1 is not right, then we easily write a formula. So to know valency is also important part of chemistry. At first we describe viewers and know symbol, formula, valency, and then number 4, atomic number. Atomic number. Atomic number mean Z, means proton number. Atomic number is the another important part of chemistry. At first you should know 30 atoms, atomic numbers, like hydrogen atomic number 1, oxygen atomic number 8, nitrogen atomic number 7, sodium atomic number 11, magnesium atomic number হচ্ছে 12, sulfur atomic number 16, chlorine atomic number 17. This atomic number, if you study, if you learn by heart from your school level, like class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then it will be also help to you then to improve in chemistry or better in chemistry. I think that my viewers and my students will do better, and then the student should give concentration to learn and by heart, like atomic number, hydrogen 1, oxygen 8, nitrogen 7, sodium 11, magnesium 12, sulfur 16, chlorine 17. Then atomic mass. Atomic mass mean A. Atomic mass mean total formula atomic mass, like H2O. Atomic mass, যদি at first atomic mass of atom, then sodium atomic mass হচ্ছে 13, magnesium atomic mass 24, carbon atomic mass 12, nitrogen atomic mass 14, chlorine atomic mass 35, sulfur atomic mass 32. The atomic mass of atoms: sodium 23, carbon 12, nitrogen 14, sulfur 32, chlorine 35, magnesium 24. So now this atomic mass, viewers, you should learn by heart some atomic number of atoms. Then reaction is also important to learn chemistry. How to do better in chemistry? So reaction is the important part of chemistry. So some simple reaction: hydrogen plus O2, oxygen, react with H2O. There are various types of reaction, like addition reaction, synthesis reaction, neutralization reaction, combustion reaction, and reciprocal and precipitation reaction. Some another part of reaction. So this is called addition reaction, and this is called addition reaction. Then if you continue practice, then which reaction is called, this is addition or synthesis reaction. The HCl plus NaOH, sodium chloride plus Padi. This reaction is acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, then react with each other, acid and base react with each other, and then product will be salt and water. It is called neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction is the very important reaction for in our life at this time. So now to do better in chemistry, so you should know about proper or vast knowledge in chemistry, vast knowledge in reaction. So then proper knowledge of periodic table, proper knowledge of periodic table. A periodic table, it is the important part of a student. A student should continue follow periodic tables. Always a periodic table should be hang in front of the table when a student at first studying their textbook. They should continue follow the periodic table, which is period metals, non-metals, and gaseous substance. It will be also help to know chemistry. Then a student will be better in chemistry. Viewers, I think some important topics I discussed at this time, and you will, if you follow my lecture, and then you will benefit it, and then you should share your friends and your relatives. And at this time, I think you will stay at home, COVID period. So you should continue follow my lecture. Then it will be benefited to you to do better in chemistry. And I hope that I am Mr. Motiar Rahman, lecturer in chemistry at Al Zahid Al Bishesh College, and welcome to again Chemistry Museum. Thank you very much. Thank you.